Ever wonder why ancient stories, myths, and legends from vastly different cultures often share uncanny similarities? What if these fantastical tales aren't just stories, but sophisticated frameworks designed to transmit profound truths across generations? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind decoding creative mythology, revealing how scholars unearth the deep wisdom and universal human experiences embedded within these enduring narratives. Get ready to see your favorite myths in a whole new light. The first key is understanding archetypes, universal patterns of characters, symbols, and situations that recur across global myths. Think of the hero's journey, detailed by Joseph Campbell, evident in tales from Odysseus battling Cyclops to Luke Skywalker facing Darth Vader. This underlying structure, featuring trials, transformation, and a triumphant return, taps into a shared human psyche, making these stories resonate deeply regardless of origin or era. Next, we peel back layers of symbolism and metaphor. Myths rarely offer literal truths, instead, they communicate profound ideas through rich symbolic language. A dragon, for instance, might not just be a fire-breathing monster, but a powerful representation of chaos, untamed nature, or even an individual's inner demons. Deciphering these symbols requires us to look beyond the fantastic imagery to the deeper human experiences and cultural values they embody. Finally, the deepest insights emerge when we examine a myth's cultural context and its social function. Myths often served as ancient science, explaining natural phenomena like thunder or the changing seasons. They also encoded societal values, moral lessons, and even justified social hierarchies or sacred rituals. For example, many creation myths don't merely tell a story, they establish a culture's identity, their relationship with the divine, and their place within the cosmos. So, by recognizing universal archetypes, interpreting intricate symbolism, and understanding their cultural role, we can unlock the incredible wisdom hidden within creative mythologies. These aren't just old tales, they're a timeless blueprint of the human experience. If you found this journey into mythology fascinating, hit that like button, share your favorite myth in the comments below, and subscribe for more explorations into the world of ideas.